He also interviewed the guy that is responsible for the major idea in physics now, the Higgs field. Peter Higgs apparently is still alive. But it was in 1964 when he proposed his idea that all of space is actually filled with a field. And what mass is just material that can't pass through that field without getting kind of snagged and slowed down and retained. But there is actually sort of what you call a mass in all over the place to begin with. Space itself actually comprises 70% of the mass of the universe. I hadn't heard that one before either. But the Higgs field is what the modern physicists are trying to find evidence of right now with the superconducting super collider, which went defunct 20 years ago, thanks to the short-sightedness of our politicians, but which the scientists in Europe are following up on the Large Hadron Collider at CERN. They hope to find evidence.
Was that the one where they sent the particle faster than the speed of light?
No, that's something else. And I don't know too much about that. What was that? A tachyon, I think? T-A-C-H-Y-O-N.
That was the one in Switzerland and Italy, or I'm not sure exactly.
It's probably that one. That's the biggest one in the world right now.
Yeah.
So it's got to be that.
Well, I couldn't figure out that, and then why we're abandoning space. That makes no sense.
What else is there?
I don't know. That makes absolutely no sense. But
just short-sighted.
So the latest theory on the composition of what? Everything is subatomic?
Yeah, there's actually mass in space. Space itself.
As opposed to just being empty.
Yeah, exactly. And it's all, of course, also got all this dark energy that they can't figure out.
Can't figure out what it is.
But the Higgs boson is supposed to be a relatively massive subatomic particle that they hope to find evidence of. It's supposed to be 250 times the mass of quark or something. I can't remember exactly. That would be.
So does all this sort of shoot the particle wave thing out the window, or?
No, it would probably unite. Because that's always just been nothing but a paradox up until now. You know, it's like, how can that be? How can something be both a particle and a wave at the same time? And I don't know if this would go anywhere toward explaining that or not. That's a little.
Well, most people
they didn't get into that, so.
Most people are confused about physics anyway. Maybe.
Oh yeah.
I've read, I guess, over the past year or two, a fair amount of scientific stuff, and I have to admit that I think that they do it on purpose so that people can't understand it, some of it, because it could be written much simpler so that people can understand it.
Yeah.
But they do it on purpose, I think, probably to show, well, they know more, or, you know, to justify why we need more money or something, you know. I don't know.
Yeah, well, there might be some of that.